Good day everyone. Today, I'm going to demonstrate to you on how to add subtitles to your video. So the simplest method on adding subtitles in your video is go to YouTube channel. Go to your YouTube channel. So in this case, click content and click the video that you want to add subtitles. Make sure that it was spoken purely in English language. So in this case, I have here one of those video that was spoken purely in English language. So in this case, I'm going to click subtitles. And now under the video subtitles, I've already added language for my video and I set it English United Kingdom as my video language. So after doing that, if I'm going to click this button of add then subtitles, there's nothing in there. There's no English subtitles here. But the thing is, since it was purely spoken in English language, the YouTube platform allows you to automatic uh, generated a caption or subtitles on your video. In this case, I've just waited for few minutes, okay, to generate this automatic caption on my video, which is English. So this is automatically generated, okay. So now, after that, um, I discovered it like several months ago. Then I just duplicate it, and I have here my subtitles of English. And now that I have already that, so I may now able to actually put a different translation or subtitles on my video, which is in Filipino or Tagalog language. Okay, so in here, if I'm going to click edit, it was already added a subtitles in Filipino or Tagalog language. Okay, this is automatically generated by the YouTube platform itself. Okay, after having this English standard language to my video and generate caption automatically, I'm now able to add another subtitles if I want to. Okay, so if I'm going to click my video, there is also the option on my video that under the subtitles or caption, which is the auto translate, in which it was allowed to translate into different language, not just in Filipino or Tagalog, but also in any other different foreign language. Okay, so that is the advantage of having the video that was spoken purely in English language. Okay, you may be able to have your video in different language in terms of the caption or subtitles. And now, for our second set of tutorial, which is how about those video that was spoken in non-English language, which is said to be the foreign language. All right, so what we're going to do in this case, so as you can see on my screen, I'm going to play one of my old video recorded. So this was in Tagalog language. Okay? So,
May mga pagkakataon sa ating buhay na parang hindi natin may paliwanag ang ating damdamin, ang ating salubin, ang ating feeling, ang ating emotion. So, kumbaga, okay, yan, kumbaga, gusto nating i-release nung
okay. So after playing some of the clip on this video, I'm going to open it with photos. Okay? I'm now tasked to have my
may mga pagkakataon sa ating buhay na parang hindi natin
in foreign language, which is based on the video in Tagalog language. So in this case, after opening it with photos, you may now able to actually trim your video if you want to. If you are Windows 10 user, you may now able to do it. Okay, so this is actually some of the special features on this video editor in photos. But now our main focus is to have our video to translate or to have the subtitles in foreign language. So in this case, as you can see, there's this tiny icon or button, which is what we call clip jump video editor. Just install this to your computer. Okay, this is actually free to use. You just have to sign in with your Microsoft account. Okay, so without further ado, let's proceed and click this button right here. So let's just wait for a few seconds, okay, and it's starting up this application. This is powered by Microsoft, okay, free to use. So in here, as you can see on my screen, I'm going to maximize this Microsoft Clip Champ. So in this case, um, we have here a lot of options in editing our videos. So this allows you to add music, text, graphics, or even adjust the speed of your video, or adjust the level of volume, or adding filter, effects, etc. It's all up to you. But our main focus today is to just add caption to your video. Okay, just click this on the top corner of your screen, right corner of your screen, turn on auto caption. And I'm going to choose Filipino as my language. Then click transcribe media. And now generating caption. So let's just wait for few minutes. Okay, let's just have to wait for a few seconds. And there you have it. So in this case, I have here already the subtitles for my video. So if I'm going to play this.
May mga pagkakataon sa ating buhay na parang hindi natin may paliwanag ang ating damdamin, ang ating salubin, ang ating piling, ang ating emosyon. So, kumbaga, kumbaga, gusto nating i-release. I-release nung parang.
So in this case, I'm going to add some of those inaccurate wordings. Okay, since this was AI generated subtitles, so this is not 100% accurate in terms of transcribing it. So I'm going to edit some of those inaccurate words. After editing that, I'm going to play it again. And in this case, you can see the real-time changes of the subtitles.
May mga pagkakataon sa ating buhay na parang hindi natin may paliwanag ang ating damdamin, ang ating salubin, ang ating piling, ang ating emosyon. So, kumbaga, kumbaga, gusto nating i-release. I-release nung parang salubin natin.
Okay, so now that you edit all of those inaccurate words on your subtitles here, then you can now just download the caption, the SRT or that SRT file. So in this case, just click it. Okay, so this is very important for your future reference in terms of having the subtitles on your video, especially those videos that is not spoken in the standard English language. So in this case, this is Tagalog language. So now that I have my subtitles in SRT file, I may now able to upload these subtitles on my YouTube account. So together with my videos, okay? So that's how it works. So and now if you want to just simply directly have these subtitles included or appears on your video. So just click export and you have here a lot of choices in terms of the video quality. So in this case, I'm going to choose 480p. Okay, so lower resolution. Okay, let's just have to wait for several seconds or a minute. Okay, in order to load it and having this feature of subtitles included on my video. Okay, so that's how it works. So thank you for listening. Have a nice day and God bless.